Hello guys, how are you? I'm charming Annabella again with you to entertain you with some money making charm. Today, I will take you to Germany to make you learn how you can create a phone verified German PayPal at ease and how you can receive funds on that PayPal account from the dark web. Guys, to meet this, we need some requirements. A VPN of any location in Germany is required to be connected. I am already connected to my favorite VPN of my Winscribe in Frankfurt. And this is my email created for communication with vendors from the dark web. You can also be in touch with this charming Annabella. Okay, guys? Then we will require our Gmail to create a PayPal account. Look, guys, I'm already on their site. Another thing we need, guys, we'll need a fake ID in Germany. I will provide you with this URL in the video description box. Here, all the details of the Germans you need are available. I will ensure the URL so that you use and create an account. The name of the site we are going to receive the PayPal fund is Antler. We will purchase the PayPal fund from this site. I will put the URL of this site. If you find them legit, you can deal with them. Guys, today we will purchase this $2,000 PayPal transfer costing only $135. I desperately need this amount of money in my PayPal account. That's why I am showing you how to purchase it. At the same time, I will also show you how you can create a German PayPal without hardship. Now, I will click on New Registration. Then we will select the private option between the two private or business. Then we have to provide a German phone number. Guys, for collecting any numbers of any countries in the whole world, I usually keep a very important app on my phone. If you want to have this app on your phone, you must join the premium course. Guys, now I'm entering the required number 17066075593. Now I will click on Next. Then I will provide the number here picking from the very app on my phone. Now we have to wait, guys, for the number. Guys, I have got the number just now. Now I will paste it here. Now I have to provide some basic information such as email, first name, last name, etc. After ensuring all the necessary information here, we have to click on Next. Now I'm putting the date of birth and street name and house number. We can omit additional information, then we have to click on Agree and Create Account. Now we have to go to PayPal Street. They are asking to add some more information, but we won't provide them as we are gonna purchase the funds straight from abroad. Alright, guys? Look, guys, here is a complete overview. Now I will confirm the email ID of PayPal. Now they are asking us to link a payment method. Now we will click on Continue. wait. Now we will wait for the email from PayPal, then I will refresh for receiving the fund. Guys, we have successfully created the PayPal account. Now we are ready to receive or purchase any dark web products. Now we'll move to our desired product in a hurry. Then I will click on the Pay with Bitcoin button. After clicking on the Pay with Bitcoin button, this type of payment page will appear. Here we have to put two email addresses. One is the general email and the other is the PayPal email. Here the mail has to be put on and put the email for PayPal here. Now I will scan the QR code to make the payment. I have to send this amount of Bitcoin to this address. So guys, stay tuned. I will be back in a short while after making the payment. Guys, I have paid them. Now let's see what happens. Guys, look, they have marked the payment. They will send me a confirmation email. Then we have to wait 1 or 1.5 hours for the email as they narrate. Sometimes they send it faster. I got it several times. One day I got it within 15 minutes and another day I got it within 35 minutes. But the average duration is 1 or 1.5 hours. So guys, they have received my order successfully. Now I will check my email. Look, guys, an order confirmation email has arrived. This is our order confirmation email. What have we done? We have bought a PayPal transfer. Who have we bought from? We have purchased it from Annabella. In which account? We have done it in this German PayPal account. Okay, guys? Now we have to set the security questions of the German PayPal. Let's do it. Guys, I have set the security questions and we are again in our PayPal account. This is the account in which the fund will be sent. After the fund will be sent, I'll be back again, guys. Guys, look, they have sent me the money swiftly. They have done it costing only 11 minutes. Now, if we want to check the details, we can. So guys, let's click on get the details. Here are the transaction details. Guys, today we have learned how you can create a phone verified German PayPal at ease and how you can receive funds on the PayPal account from the legit dark web vendor called Annabella. Guys, no more learning today. Do this by yourself. Let me know if you face any problems. Okay guys, hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you again. Now, bye bye.